Hey, buddy.
You know, when I came up with this idea, I thought at first it was like a really good idea. It's like, yeah, wouldn't that be great to do? And now that I'm actually here about to do it, I really don't want to. Please be careful.
See? Locked? To the new room?
What? Dude, this shit's kind of heavy. It's gonna be kind of annoying all day. This is like a true test of our friendship to see if we won't go crazy being next to each other the whole day. Did you get it?
Yeah. Oh, I did it wrong.
Well, now it's officially 10:02.
Wait, I need to put this.
Yeah.
10:02.
So,
You hungry?
I'm starving,
Let's
but
get some food.
we didn't even tell them what we're doing.
Oh, yeah.
This is... Oh. We're going to be handcuffed together 12 hours. Now
We're going to have to do a lot of stuff with our opposite hand because this is just
now we did give ourselves a little bit extra room for bathroom time and also just so
I can like wipe my ass, you know.
Also so I'm not like just on top of him all day. But yeah,
I wouldn't have a problem with that if you want to get closer.
Fuck,
that hurt!
Oh yeah, look, he has a giant cut going down his arm that. So join us on our day of, I don't know.
This is gonna suck! This is gonna suck so much!
What time is it?
It is
11:09 and
hey, this is my interview. Shut up. It is now 11:09. We have been handcuffed to the monstrosity named Sorrow for a little over an hour now. Hey. Yeah. So not much has happened. We went out to get coffee and pick up some things that we forgot out at our houses.
I want to be a part of it.
So yeah. Oh shit. I gotta fix that. But yeah, nothing much has happened. We're just chilling right now.
It is currently 11:10 and 9 seconds. Fuck off. This is my interview. Don't even look at me. Yeah, you know, today's been going pretty well. Nothing really eventful's happened. We saw a couple people at the coffee shop we went to, and they were laughing at us. We're having handcuffs, but we tried shouting out to YouTube. Didn't really go so well since we're really awkward.
Yes, very awkward. That's happened multiple times already too. We got 11 hours to go, and now we're gonna play some video games. I'm already going insane with this. How about you? How are you doing over here?
It kind of hurts.
Yeah?
I'm not gonna lie.
Wait. Oh. Yeah, it's starting to leave. Yours is leaving little marks than mine. Well,
They keep scraping my.
it's been.
thing.
It's almost 3 hours now. Almost 3 hours.
We haven't really done anything.
We played
video games
the entire time. We're getting ready to go film some other videos though now, right?
Yeah, absolutely. This is gonna. God, this fucking.
So let's go do that shit.
Why did we do this?
I don't know.
Okay, sure. Yo, fuck, bro. This is hard going lefty. I don't know how to piss left. It's working! Splish, splash, I was taking a piss. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. First successful mission as a lefty. Just zip up. It makes it a lot easier not wearing underwear. Maybe you should take yours off.
Okay, rotate.
Rotate!
Now you stare at the camera like I did.
Alright.
No, you close the door and you stare at
Why
the
not?
camera.
Alright. So my man's turn then?
You like.
Okay.
Yeah. You people watching.
Nobody's. You want me to watch?
No.
I can watch and make
No.
it even better.
Alright, there we go. Okay.
Kyle's a nervous pisser. At least you have your dominant hand to hold it.
I know, right?
Now we gotta wash our hands together. Yeah, you just gotta. Perfect!
Look
dude.
at this!
Look. Without even planning it, I knew that I was just gonna have Another set of hands for that towel. Ow! Ow! Oh!
So I think now we gotta go get this stuff for the bread.
Yeah, okay. Let's make some bread. Let's get this bread. Fuck.
Oh,
You get us both in the shot.
it's been 4 hours. 4 hours of this so far. We just got back from the store getting some stuff for a video getting ready to shoot, the fucking cloud bread video.
Yeah.
And then we got food.
The whole time out in public, it was pretty fun because people were just giving us constant weird stares like, these guys are into some really freaky stuff.
Yeah, it was a very interesting trip.
We went into a liquor store and we took 2 steps in, and one of the guys working there didn't say a word to us, just looked at us and went, "Why?" not asking us like, "So, can I ask you gentlemen what's?" No, he just goes, "Why?"
And I go, "We lost the bet," and walked away. I didn't know how else to answer it.
It's the easiest way to answer it.
But we tried to scare because my double lock failed on my handcuff right here. So it closed as full as it could and it was starting to cut off circulation. My hand went numb for a little bit. But we're good to go. We're gonna eat food, make some videos, and play more video games because we got 8 hours left.
It's really starting to hurt, bro.
It does hurt.
Thank you for my silverware. Our channel.
No matter how they toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for me is you, and you for me. So happy together. How they toss the dice, it had to be.
See, what sucks about this is we can't change outfits or shirts or anything.
Yeah, I know.
We're not faking this. We've been handcuffed together 6 hours now, 6.5 hours.
Yes, we have. And it hurts. We're halfway.
Oh, halfway there. Oh,
What?
Did you say chair?
Yeah, squidward on a chair.
Hey, Renzo's here. Hi, Renzo. Wait, Renzo, are you home right now?
Shit. How do I? Dude, I can't put this in.
We just can't hold on to it.
Okay. Okay.
Cool.
Ah, we're bumping into everything. Is this camera still going?
Yeah. Dude, we're filming everything.
Camera steps in. How you feeling so far? Since we haven't,
Pretty relaxed.
since we haven't given an update recently. Ow!
Oh, sorry about that.
Yeah. How are we doing?
Update. Well, we're halfway there.
We made that. Ah, I can't. How do I look?
Pretty cute.
Fuck! Film this.
The camera's right there, Nick.
Dude, it's like
It's fine.
Mission Impossible. Dun, dun,
Yeah.
dun, dun, dun. Wait, what else do we need?
Sugar, cornstarch, eggs.
Where's the camera, Nick? Where's the fucking camera, Nick?
Could have gone that way.
Yeah, what? Okay, follow me. I don't have to okay. A whisk.
What is whisk?
What the fuck is a whisk?
You don't know what whisk is?
No, where? A whisk. I'll whisk it right now. Let's see this one.
Okay, so sorry about the bear with you real quick. Okay, stop.
Yeah. Oh fuck.
You're just gonna have to hold your arm up high.
Do you think it would be easier if it was one handcuff? Because you're not dealing with another weight of the handcuffs?
No. Because
Yeah,
this
a little bit more annoying.
this gives us a little more flexibility and area to move around.
Mm-hmm.
Like it comes with benefits and everything because it's the weight, but this way I have we have some movement and everything.
I can see
Otherwise,
that.
we're
Instead of just
like that
hand
close
on
and
hand.
yeah. Well, it's been 8 hours of this now.
Mm-hmm. Ah, fuck.
We're still
going.
we're tired.
Dude, I'm getting like lines and bruises now in
Yeah.
my wrist. Look at this, dude.
New patties on my wrist.
But we just finished filming video. We made cloud bread. Make sure to watch that.
I'm tired.
I'm very tired.
I'm a sleepy little boy.
We're just gonna probably play video games and film a podcast the rest of the night. We'll keep you updated and do if anything else occurs. But we're still here.
We're so far into it. We might as well just finish it. You know.
4 hours left.
What are you doing?
You want to show the time?
6:12.
Wait.
6:13.
6:13 now. This is worse than mine. I'm more having problems right there, and on this side a little bit. But he has a bigger wrist, so it's causing more.
Gotta focus. Kyle, show your wrist again.
Oh!
I am sorry, God.
Fuck!
I am
What
so
did you
sorry.
do? Oh! Fuck!
Throw it at hit you in the back, and I completely missed. I am so sorry, Kyle.
I wish I got that.
Dude, I completely whiffed. That's my bad.
Oh!
Where'd I even hit you?
Straight
How
on the
did I
nose.
miss that? I was right here.
My
and I
back's
did-
so
I did
wide.
this. Like I was doing a dart, and I just did that.
Look, Kyle's eyes are watering. Stuck in a knot right there. It won't.
Spray the yellow one.
Then cut to me just playing with waves. I'm trying to get it up over the hill. Yee! I got it! I got him!
Wait, do we get?
I'm trying to get it up and over! Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know. My bad. Back. You dick.
That's an asshole move.
Yeah, let me make sure you got. Okay,
Are you kidding, you ass?
We have 1 hour left. Well, 58 minutes. These are the faces of exhaustion.
Dude, I'm just tired. We woke up early. We started doing stuff, and we made some videos today.
I did a lot of stuff.
My wrist is just tired after a while now, man.
Yeah, the double lock on this one failed it now, but it doesn't matter because it's still there. Oh. We've been 11 hours.
Handcuffed together. This is not fun. I
Tired.
wouldn't recommend doing this.
No, never. But yeah, probably the next time you see us will be us taking the handcuffs off if we don't do something stupid between then.
I'm tired.
We'll see you in about an hour.
Well, we just about did it. We're 2 minutes away from victory.
Fans
One
on.
minute.
1 minute away from our victory royale. 1 minute and 34 seconds.
What did you learn from this experience, Salvo?
Fans on.
That next time,
Don't worry about it.
I've learned that next time that we should use fuzzy cuffs from the adult store so they're more comfy.
Yeah.
It'd be better in public too.
I think it'd be worse in public.
No, it'd like those guys. They know what's up.
We actually did it though.
Why'd you point at me when you said those guys? You said those guys.
Oh yeah, we have more people watching us now.
They came here to see this amazing moment. Momentous.
It's
Occasion.
been probably the most tiring day in a long time.
Oh yeah, for sure. My
Mentally,
wrist hurts.
Physically, I'm dead inside.
I just can't wait to like move around
I know.
freely without having to worry about like
I gotta take a
yanking
piss.
your wrist.
I gotta take a piss.
It's 7:02. We got 34 seconds.
That's not 10:02.
Well, yours is slow.
No, it's 10:02.
This is
Let me see the
10:02. It is 10:02.
Oh, 10:02. Would you like to be first? Or should we just do the middle? Oh God. Oh.
Come on.
That's so much better, dude.
You just
I just double cuffed it. How does it feel? I must know.
freedom.
I must know.
Freedom.
Oh no. Oh no. They're both faced in towards each other.
You did not.
Okay, that's one.
Okay.
Come on. I just break off the key into the hole. Damn, dude. Okay, why won't you come undone now? Oh, okay, work. Oh.
Let's see them wrists.
Oh, it's so
My wrist,
nice.
it's not too
It's
bad
not too
now
bad.
because the last like bit of time we were more just chilling.
Yeah.
It's though.
I see.
Yeah, I know. You could see more of mine.
I got this. Mine's swollen there. Like I can feel it hurting.
Wait, go like that.
Like there's a.
Yeah, that it feels so much better. It's so light. You can move, bro.
Well,
Oh, get the fuck away from me.
we've been the Dysfunctional Dudes. That
Thanks
was
for
a
watching.
12-hour handcuffed together challenge.
Let us know when you guys want us to see 24 hours or 48. Oh my god. That'd be so long. That'd be so long. No, I couldn't do that.
No.
I'm sorry. I couldn't sleep with you.
Remember to like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell. Follow us on all of our social medias. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Oh, this is so nice. Just waving with your right hand. Now I can attack you. You! Now that I've got you right where I want you.
Oh. You at the end there was legit just.
I was like, I'm gonna go inside now. I'm gonna go inside.
Rico, and Paco.